We've come here today to exclude a pine marten from the water treatment works. We are closing up an entrance into the water treatment works because a pine marten has been getting in and out. They're a protected species, so we have to apply for a license to close up the hole. They're very inquisitive, and they do go into various places and clearly go into our buildings. There was a lot of scat on the floor, but I've had a trail camera monitoring the site since January. There was a pine marten getting into a workshop through a little duct in the wall. As soon as the site is occupied by pine marten, it is a protected site. Well, you have to monitor the site for a period of time to make sure you know what's going on. And then we apply for a license through Nature Scott. And they give us a set time period to close up the holes. We have to put up a compensatory den box. It's a specially made den box for pine martens. So these are specially designed boxes made of like a heavy recycled plastic that will last forever. Everyone has been visited, which has been good. They usually have prey remains in there, like pheasant wings and bits of hair and that kind of stuff. So you can tell they've been used, but we haven't done a full survey of all of the sites to see if they're used for breeding, which would be interesting to see. Pine marten were heavily persecuted in the 19th century. They were pushed to the northwest corner of Scotland. They have been protected since 1988, so they're kind of a little bit of an enigma, really. They are spreading south as they've stopped being persecuted. The site in Newmore is particularly interesting because we have, over 3 years, we put up 4 or 5 boxes in the surrounding woodland. The second year she had 3 kits, and we got a recording of her exiting the building. It is increasingly more regular, and I don't know whether that's because pine marten numbers are increasing across Scotland or whether because we are noticing them more.